Here's how to change the light bulb on a ceiling fan. Make sure that the light switch on the wall is in the off position. So most standard ceiling fans are going to have a bunch of screws that look like this around the top of it. Usually there's 3, and so you need to unscrew at least 2 of them. Often you can just use your fingers. You don't really need a screwdriver to get the light bulb out. Sometimes you have to unscrew all 3, but usually if you take 2 out, you can kind of convince it to come down. And then making sure that the wall switch is in the off position before you go unscrewing the light bulb. You just unscrew the light bulb. Screw the new light bulb in. Turn the switch on at the wall to make sure that it works. Then you probably want to check for dead bugs and stuff inside of your light before you put it back on. And then just put the dome back in place. Don't need to screw these real tight. I mean, they're pressing against glass, so it's probably better not to screw it too tight and break the glass. Just get them in there tight enough so that it hangs in place, and then you are done.